Hello folks, welcome back to my DIY koi pond. Today I just wanted to give you an update on my D-Solv Oxy pond cleaner treatment, and today will be the third week since the initial treatment, and I just want to show you the result after 3 weeks. So I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you around my pond after 3 weeks. Basically 2 treatments of the D-Solv Oxy pond cleaner. Alright, as you can see over here, there's not much string algae around the rocks anymore. A little bit by the water lily, no, iris there, but which I didn't spray too much there, but all on the rocks there, string algae are gone. Same on this side, and along there, and under my deck, by that fence over there too. Waterfall. I'm gonna go around there to have you guys have a closer look. Alright, so right here, our string algae is gone. Along my bypass pipe there too, there's nothing there anymore. And my waterfalls, just a few on the rock over there, but other than that, you know, by the foot of the waterfalls, there's nothing anymore compared to last week. There was a lot of string algae at the foot of the waterfall there. It's all gone now. So the D-Solv Oxy pond cleaner does work. I was a little bit skeptical about it, but look at that, guys. The result is here. I think I have my string algae under control right now. And I think I'm really satisfied with it. Well, today I'm going to be doing another spot treatment on the waterfall there by the rock, along the rock there. That's all. Along the banks, I don't think I need to do anymore because all the string algae is gone now. So I would just do a weekly maintenance dose only. I don't have to do anything until I see the spike of the string algae again. So I'm going to turn up the camera for a bit, and I'll turn up my waterfalls, and I'm going to sprinkle on top of the waterfalls again one more time. Alright guys, so I just did another treatment, and they say it's just the waterfalls, but I did some more spots sprinkle over there by the 3-barrel filter outlet there. So that would be it. So this is my third treatment, and as you can see, like I say, there's no more string algae. I have my string algae under control right now. So hopefully by next week I can get rid of those string algae by the waterfalls there. If not, so be it. It's no big deal. So just to let you know, the D-Solv Oxy Pond Cleaner does work, and I have my string algae under control in my pond. Okay, that's it for another update. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.